Hey everyone, welcome back to the homestead. I am Nadine and I am in the chicken run because I have a small project that I want to work on today because we have the sun out and spring is coming, which means mud season is coming, and I kind of want to get ahead of it before we have all the rain come. So we are working in the chicken run. Let me show you what we're going to be doing today. So last year we made these rat-proof chicken feeders that are absolutely wonderful. We haven't had any rats since we installed these feeders here, but the feeding station is kind of hodgepodged at best, and I kind of want to clean this up because underneath here they've kind of dug out the ground where the feeders are, and when it rains this just becomes a puddle. So anytime that they touch the feeder and pellets fall out, they fall out into the puddles and they can't get to it, and so that's feed wasted. So we're going to fix this a little bit and make this better. So the plan is to fix up the space over here. So last year you saw me fix up this area. We put gravel down over here. As you can see, that's gone. Darn chickens. And I moved the water over here, which it's still there and it's working out great. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to level out this space here where the duck hutch used to be. I'm going to move these pavers back, and then I'm going to use some heavy duty brackets and attach them to the back of the chicken coop here to hang those buckets on. And hopefully this will solve the, not all of, but some of the mud problem around their feeders and get rid of some of the wasted feed that's happening during the rainy puddly days. So let me go ahead and grab my tools and the brackets, and we will get this project underway. So the pavers are all moved. They're not perfectly level, but they're chickens, so they don't care. So let's go ahead and get the brackets. I'll show you what we got, and we'll start getting them up on the back of the coop here. So here are the brackets that we got. They are just heavy duty brackets. And they have these hooks on the end, which I thought would be perfect for holding the buckets. And then these are the screws I'm going to be using. They are a bit small in, oh, excuse me. Desi, would you hold this for a second? Hold it just like that. No, pick it up. Hold it. So these are the screws that I'm going to be using, but the heads of them are a little bit small compared to the hole here. So I'm going to be sticking, oh goodness, sorry for the bad camera footage here. See how it's kind of like just barely holding in there? I'm going to stick a washer between the screw and the hole. That way it holds better, because these are going to be holding roughly 25 pounds of feed, and I don't want them getting ripped off the coop. So we're going to add a washer to the screw here. To better hold the bracket to the coop. So let's go ahead and take all this stuff back to the coop and get them on the coop. Alrighty, so I have my brackets and I just have an empty 5-gallon bucket to hang from there, so I get a rough guesstimate on how high up these buckets need to be. And probably 4 feet up is gonna be 3.5, 4 feet is gonna be a good height.
So that's what the bucket's for.
Yep. So let's go ahead and screw in this bracket. I'm gonna do my best to hit a stud, but that may or may not happen. We're just gonna do the best we can. All right, so here are all the brackets. They're nice and secure on there. So let's go ahead and get the food bins and bring them over. Alrighty, so here it is, the finished project. I think this is going to work out really well. There's no sag in these brackets, and these are pretty heavy buckets. Like I said, they're each about 25 pounds. They hold half a bag of 50-pound feed, and these are at a good length where the chickens can get to them. And they're not going to have puddles under here to lose the feed in. Looks good to me, guys. Alrighty, so that wraps up this little project to help get rid of some of the mud around here. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and leave them in the comments below. If you like my content, be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button. That'll let you know anytime I have new content up, and it really helps my channel out. So thank you guys so much for your support. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and remember to grow where you're planted.
Bye.